All right. All right. All right. All right. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you guys doing? Uh, Today, Saturday, 16th September, we are going to continue the September Masterclass. I think this is episode 3. This is day 3 of September Masterclass. So for now, for you guys that did not watch the day 1 and the day 2, because we just have 2 episodes, which is last week and like last 2 weeks. We just have 2 episodes since the 1st of September. But today we are going to the day 3, which is the episode 3 of the September Masterclass. So before then, you guys that did not watch the episode 1 and 2, make sure you come to your YouTube and search my YouTube channel, Sir Abdul FX. You can search, like, if you just put SIR then space ABDOUL Abdul then FX. Search Sir Abdul FX on your YouTube channel and subscribe, and don't forget to turn your notification on so that you can see any of our video that we release, because I think there is so many episodes remain that we are going to continue from today. So after you subscribe the YouTube channel, then you can come down and check on our videos, like check out this is videos. Okay, so this is the top-down analysis masterclass by Sir Abdul FX September day 1. So this is the one that you're going to start with. Then this is the day 2, which is the second episode. So after you watch this, then you can go through the one that we are going to do right now, episode 3. Thank you guys. So let's take to look at gold. Let's look at gold. What happened in the past tense, what we did, where we stopped. This is my massive over how many pips I catch from here. My entry is around, wow, I'm trying to do something. I like keeping my backup. I like keeping, like, leaving everything there so that like, I don't want to miss anything. I want the history, like, maybe for my back test. If I take to look at it, it will really help me a lot for back testing. So it's very good to keep on keeping your chart. Like, once you try to hit your take profit, don't just delete everything in the chart box. Just continue going. So that's why you see some recent trends around here. This is over how many pips? My entry is around 1945, and then my last take profit is around 1915. So we can calculate 1945 minus 1915 equals to 300 pips. This is soft 300 pips that I catch on the first week of September, and then when I hit my major level, which is around the 1915, I do not take any trade up to now. I keep on monitoring the chart to get a very strong signal for you guys. You know, I love you guys winning all the time. That's why I have to be careful for everything that I'm doing, right? So as you can see, uh, the goal is in downtrend. Like from the monthly, we are on downtrend on gold. This thing will be anyhow somehow. I have to do like this. Okay. So as you can see, like from the monthly, the gold has been on bullish movement, and then we can see like the bullish hit some of our major level and start to break lower. They test the level, then start breaking lower. So overall, monthly we are on downtrend, and then if you can check the weekly, also we are in downtrend. Yes, I'm pretty sure about this. Yes. Yeah, as you can see, also the weekly we are in downtrend. Like you can see, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So we are in downtrend. Like we are in downtrend. We are going back for some Fibonacci retracement around here that you can see. But since we break this major level, we start coming down. So for now, if we can look for daily, we can also see the same thing. Daily too, we are in downtrend. Yes, downtrend. Fibonacci retracement, continue to push down. Retracement for Fibonacci, continue pushing down. So we already know that we are in downtrend on gold, right? And then we cut some 300 pips. Let's take a look at it. Sorry, I have to look at the H4. I hope you guys can see this clearly. Okay. So on H4, the goal is in downtrend overall. We are going down, go back for little Fibonacci retracement, then continue coming down, break lower a little bit, but we do not confirm. Continue pushing up, break above. We do not confirm. Okay, there is a retracement, which is a confirmation. Then the breakout around here. This is why I posted on my Instagram yesterday. I said the reason why I did not give out this buy signal, me, I entered the trade, I take some money around here over 100 pips, but the reason why I do not give out the signal to you guys is because the market come out the major level, break above and retest the major level, but how I draw this major level, like you know, it's been a while I'm using this major level. Like I think I draw this major level since July, so I'm using it. I do not delete anything. I'm keeping my chart. I'm keeping my trade history. I already know that this is my major level, and then the market come out, break above, then retest, but then retest like the candlestick, the body of the candlestick did not touch this major level. So that's why I did not get the confirmation, like more confirmation the way I will give you guys this signal. I have to get this candlestick, touch this, like touch it, not just the shadow, like the whole body of the candlestick touch inside the major level, then break above again. So that's where I will give you guys. So and then we already know that we are in downtrend, so that's why maybe this buy will be a little Fibonacci retracement, then maybe we can continue to push all the way to the downside. So that's why I do not give out the signal to you guys. I just take some money from it and then still waiting for the market. I hope you guys understand everything about gold this week, and then maybe next week we can expect the market to. Okay, let's try and have something. Let me take the Fibonacci all the way from here to here. Okay, so this level next week, maybe we might expect the buy will continue to push up and tested maybe the 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is my first Fibonacci level. Then maybe continue to push all the way to the downside. If we break our major level, we can try and create our sell signal around here, because we already know that we are in downtrend, right? So, and then if the market did not respect the 0.5 Fibonacci level, we might expect it to respect the 0.618 around 1932 level. Maybe if the market respects this level, then it will continue to push all the way to the downside. As you can see at the previous two, I draw a line, I draw a arrow from here. I expected the market to respect this as Fibonacci level, and then the market did not respect the level. It continued ranging. This is sideways movement. I hope you guys know about sideways movement. I do a class about it recently. I think last 2 months, okay, July. I talk about ranging, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, and ranging, which is sideways. So the market keep on ranging, and we know if the market is ranging, we cannot do anything. We have to wait for it to continue and finish the ranging, then decide where we are going to. So as you can see, the market tried to enter the major level, but did not give us any confirmation for going to the downtrend. So the market might go back and respected those Fibonacci levels, because it's very, very strong. It's very strong. We had to go up and respected the level. Maybe then we can continue push all the way to the downside. I hope you guys understand. So this is why we can expect with gold, maybe my next take profit around here, and then I will close the trade around here. Or maybe here. So for now, we can keep on waiting. Once I get some information, then I will let you guys know. Thank you so much. For now, we have to look at some pairs that we can try and do the top-down analysis on it. The way you can trade top-down analysis, like from the first step, what you can do, which time frame you need to use to start using, and which one you are going to get your major level, your minor level, where are you going to draw your trend line, get your Fibonacci level, got the entry, and enter the trade. I'm going to break down everything to you guys. I don't know which pay we can look for. Maybe what pay? Okay. Hold on, guys, I'm coming. You guys last night, pretty much what happened. We had a pullback into the area, but what we did have showing right here, but good, missed out on that trade. We're kind of Okay, let's look at the CAD USD. Sorry, guys. You know me, I mostly trade gold for real. So that's why I don't touch those pairs. I focus on one pair. As my mentor tell me, you have to focus on one pair. Once you grab everything, then maybe you can try and look at another pairs. I know with top-down analysis, you can trade whatever pair in the market, crypto, stock, futures, whatever, forex. You can trade whatever pair with just top-down analysis. So the first thing you need to do when you are trading top-down analysis is to come to your monthly time frame. Let's open this chart like this and see what's going on USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, so as we can see some levels around here. Like what's going on USD CAD is from June 1st, the market is in downtrend, like uptrend, sorry. The market is going up, like it's going higher all the way to September 1st. Then the market start to break lower, go back for little retracement, like it's ranging. It did not test this level. So it's still ranging around here. We may expect the market to continue, come and test this level before we go down. So for now, we may expect a bullish or ranging movement. So we have to scale down. We have to scale down to get this. Yeah, the monthly time frame, you just need to look at what's the current month and the last month. The last month was bullish and the current month also was bullish. So we may expect to buy because the market is currently ranging around here. But if we look for signal, maybe we can buy. So we might expect a buy signal. Then once you come to your monthly time frame and see your first month and your second month is bullish or bearish. If it's bullish, so we know that it's bullish, we are going up. If it's bearish, then we know that we are coming down. But the coming down, what is it? Is it a breakup or a retracement? You understand? So once you got this, then you scale down to weekly time frame. Wow, this is our weekly time frame. Let's take to like this so that we see the previous. What happened? Wow. This is fun. Okay. Yeah. So this is what? This is weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. As we can see, weekly time frame have been on overall bullish, go back for a little retracement, come back and tested it again. This is the first breakout, then go all the way to the downside. So this place might be a level, because that's why when the market come and tested it, then it break lower and go and tested it again, then break lower, which is confirmation of sell. If it's me, I'm going to sell around here and take my profit all the way to the downside. So on weekly time frame, gold is in downtrend. is in uptrend, then break lower, retest and break again, but it do not continue falling down, then it maybe this coming down is just a Fibonacci for this overall bullish. It tested the level. Sorry, I said gold, USD card. Then the USD card continued to push all the way to the upside after respecting those Fibonacci levels for this bullish movement, all the way to here. Then break lower, tested the level, push all the way to the downside. This is around this level. So you see, it's a support and also a resistance level. So I think this is the most significant level, the major level. This is where you can plot your major level. Those places, anywhere you see a rejection, a break and retest, so it's your level. If you got it more, this is how the level are going to become stronger. You understand? So when the market come back and tested the level again, it's a Fibonacci for this. Then continue to push all the way to the upside. As you can see, it break around here, then retest. It did not continue breaking, it just continue going up. So it's not stronger, then continue falling down all the way to here. I respected the Fibonacci for the overall uptrend, which is around here. Then it did not go up, it continued falling down, come all the way to here. Then the market continued to push. Okay, ranging. This is ranging. This is sideways movement. This is uptrend and this is downtrend. This is sideways movement, as I tell you guys in the previous classes. So for now, as we can see, so many rejections around here. It might be a level. We can take this rectangle that we're using for measure level, start drawing it like this. Oh, sorry guys. Yeah. How can I plot it? I have to do like this, maybe. Oh, am I right? Let me know if I'm right, because I can see this market go all the way to the upside, come back a little bit. You can see the shadow come down a little bit, then continue to push up. So maybe this may be a level. And then as we can see, when the market come here, it break lower, it is some break again, it tested it, then break. We can see another one, it retest the level, then break again. Come here, break lower, another one, another breakout, another breakout, so many breakouts. So this may be a major level for us. This may be a major level. And once things become a major level, what we can do is just clone it. After cloning this, then we can do like this. This one, we can use a horizontal line for this. Yes. This is one we can use for this. Yeah. Okay. Is it clear, the major level? Am I making sense? If I'm making sense, let me know. I'm doing it for you guys, so I have to know if you guys are understanding it, how I am getting the major levels. If this market come here, it is break, come here, it is so many touches. How many? So many. This is another level. on this. Take it to the answer. Yes. Yes. We shall, or can we just do like this? Yes. Because you can see, if you get 3 rejection, 3 touches like this, you are good to go. Yeah, you are good to go. You can make it a major level for you. And I'm pretty sure you're going to make some money from it. If you follow this time, if the market follow your way, but sometimes this market is crazy for real. Okay, I think okay with this, but I can see something around here. I can see something. Yes, this is what I'm supposed to do. Also, I think my major level is pretty good right now. That's what I see. Yeah, there is so many ranges around those levels, so that's why you see this. Well, we are pretty good to go with it like this. Yeah. So this is what we are doing on weekly time frame. I hope you are getting this. You're getting this shit, bro. I hope you are not missing this. Wow. Can you see this? Can you see how my chart is looking pretty good and clear? Can you see me? Can you see this clearly? Can you see what I'm doing? This is amazing. This is amazing. So I have done with weekly time frame. I got my major level. I am in uptrend, come back for little retracement, tested it, and it's also a major level. Go back, break here, tested this level, come back here, tested the level, go back a little bit, come back and break it lower, go back for retracement, but we failed to break the first breakout, so that's why it did not come down. We continue pushing all. We did not test at this level, that's why we did not buy it. Continue going up, so as you can see, it's still coming down. We don't know, maybe it will come and break the first breakout so that we can set our sell signal. But for now, we are in uptrend. Maybe this uptrend will go and test at this level before continue going down, or maybe around here. We don't know. Anyone that happens, we can know once we scale down. So for now, we just need to scale down to daily on USDCAD. Wow, this is amazing. Oh, shit. Okay, can you see this? Can you see this? When this market come, blah 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 blah, tested my major level, it did not break lower, that it started to go back, break above. I said for buy. I said for buy. I see once we come and tested our major level, then break above, we know that we are buying. For us to buy, we have to wait for the retracement and test the major level again, go all the way to the upside. So for now, I come here, break above. I expected the market to retrace and test it, but it did not. So it go up a little bit, then come back, tested the level. You can see this is clear test. Like this is pretty good. Give you more confirmation for you to buy this market. But for you to buy, you have to break the first breakout, which is here. So as you can see, the market start to push up and break the first breakout. Immediately you close this candlestick around here, you can set your buy. You can also use this. You can also use this first breakout, but the reason why I do not use this is because when this come, it did not break it. It break lower of it. So I expected maybe the market would continue ranging. So I have to break it for me to buy. So the market break above with this candlestick and close above this. So that's more confirmation that I'm going for long. I'm going for long trade. I set my buy signal around here. My stop loss will be outside of my major level, though it's very far from here because of the breakout, how the breakout look, but we must follow the rules. So what you can do around here, you can just use a very less, you can use a proper risk management. You understand, like something less, so that you avoid so much loss in your account. Yeah. So once we set our buy around here, our stop loss will be outside of the major level. Our take profit will be all the way to this major level. So as you can see, the market break here, I buy, we start making profit. We come here, maybe we might take our first start profit. Then the market come back for Fibonacci retracement. I am in. I already enter around here, and okay, around here, and the market come all the way to here, then start to break lower. I'm in. I'm still inside the market. My stop loss is outside. When the market come back and tested this Fibonacci level, it continued to go all the way to the upside, all the way to here. Maybe when I come here, it retreats a little bit, go back, come almost here. Then maybe my second take profit, my first one we set around here. My second take profit maybe will be when I come here. So as you can see, the market continued to fall all the way to the downside. If I take my first or second take profit, I have to set my stop loss to break even, and then we said this is my entry, right? And then my stop loss will be around here. This is my break even. So the market, I take my first and second level of profit, then the market will start to come down, and then just hit my stop loss, which is in the break even. So I don't take any loss, zero loss, and then I make some money with the first TP and the second take profit. So then the market continued to push all the way to the downside. As you can see, you come back inside your major level. You even expected this market to continue falling down, but you have assurance that your signal, your analysis is very powerful, that if you got a signal, you have to take your last take profit, which is next of your major level. I hope you guys are understanding this clearly. So the next thing, the market come all the way to here and tested this major level. Imagine it already take you out because your stop loss hit the break even. Then the market break above again, you got more signal on buy. We have to wait for market to test the level, then the market tested it again. So you got second confirmation. Then the third one is to break the first breakout, which is around here. You see the first breakout, and then this one close around here. So that's more confirmation for you to buy again. Imagine you will have buy the market around here, and then the market start to go up, come down to your major level. You're so much confidence in what you are doing. in your trading, your analysis that you did, you have so much confidence that you are going to hit this take profit. So don't worry, even the market come back here. If the market did not break the major level lower, so don't do anything, just wait for the market, set and forget, wait for the market to hit you first take profit, second, and the third take profit. So for now, the market come back and tested the major level again, then break above. You don't mind, you already buy around here when you break around here. So the market continue to push up. Maybe your take profit will be in that your first and second take profit, which is around here. You can take another some profit. You can see the market continue to push all the way to here, next major level. So you have done with this market. You take all the money around here. Then the market break lower, go back for the retracement, but the body of the candlestick did not touch the major level. So it's no more confident. It's no more confident. So I have to wait for the market. So this is where you can get information for you to okay, to take it down a little bit. Watch this. You understand? You understand? Yes. Yes. Because this is daily time frame. When this comment is at the major level, break lower, go back for retracement. This daily candlestick shadow that is here, when you scale down to H4 or H1, you can see the body to touch it. So this is more confirmation for this sell. Then you break below again, which is around here. You break the first breakout here, then you sell. And all the way to the downside, you take your profit. Tested the level, go back, come back for retracement, tested it again, go all the way to the upside, you take your some profit, you set your stop loss to break even where you buy first, and the market come back and hit your stop loss, which is in your break even, zero risk. Then continue to come down, break lower, retest it, break again, break the first breakout, then you sell, then the market start to go up, come down, go up. So, like if you see something like this is happening, the market is no more consistent. And as you can see, this is just a sideways movement. This is when the market is ranging, you understand? And when the market is ranging, you don't need to do something. You need to stay away from this market and wait for it to give you more confirmation and confidence for you to enter this market. You know, I hope you're getting me. I hope you're feeling me. So now what we can do on daily time frame is to get our minor level. I use rotate rectangle to plot my minor level, as you can see. This. Okay. Can you guys see what I'm doing clearly? I hope you guys are getting this thing. This shit is making sense. And then this one, we can use the horizontal line because it's just a fake out. It's just a fake out. We have to break this fake out if we can do something in this market. If we can maybe say, we have to break this fake out. This is daily time frame, right? So this is what we got on our own minor level. So it will like this. We need it in the future. Okay, so you can see some rejection and retest and rejection around here. So that's why I use this place as my minor level. As we said, in weekly time frame, if you see a rejection like this, it's major level, and in daily time frame, if you see a rejection like this, it's minor minor level. So this is my minor level, and as you can see, the minor level, the market come all the way from the fake out, which is outside of my major level. It break and retest, then break again. But the reason why I did not buy is because the market is not consistent. It's not in uptrend or downtrend, is ranging. So, and then we said if market is ranging, we don't need to do something. We have to stay away from this market and wait for it, like wait for the market to be consistent and give us more confidence to buy or sell the market. I hope you guys are getting it. So this is the fake out. The market come all the way from the fake out, break above. We can see some retests a little bit, but it's not stronger because the body did not touch you in the candlestick, the major level, sorry. So it's continue pulling all the way to the upside and reject in the minor level, go back for retracement, break again, continue coming down. Maybe we can continue coming all the way to the downside around our major level. Then maybe we can try and see if we can do something. But if we can do something, even if we can do something in this market, where is the uptrend? Where is it? Right? We have to get our first and second touches. The first, oh, I am too much. Okay, the way you can draw your trend line, you can start from the shadow, but Fibonacci, you can start from the body. Don't forget this, guys. You can start from the shadow, like you can see the shadow of the candlestick. This small line, not the body, not the red, just the black line. So this is the shadow. You can start from it, then the first one, but the second one, you have to make sure the body touch it. So 1, 2 will be, maybe you can do something like this. We said the body of the candlestick has to touch it. So for now, if we can do something in this market, maybe if we can, in monthly time frame, we said that we are in uptrend, and then also in the weekly time frame, we say we are in uptrend, but the daily also we are in uptrend, but the market start to retrace down because of this minor level, right? So maybe the market will not continue to go up because of the minor level, but for us to confirm this is we have to break and retest, then break the minor level, right? So for now, we come and tested the minor level, break below, retest it, then break lower, continue coming down. As we know, if you're after analysis trader, you can also enter your market around here and take profit all the way to here. But for me, as for me, like I need so much confidence in my signal, in my analysis, in whatever I'm doing. So that's why I have to be careful and more careful in whatever I will do, whatever signal I will give to you guys or I will trade. I have to be very, very careful because I'm looking for winning all the time. I know that sometimes we must lose, but we know that it's very possible for you. If you work hard, you're gonna make it. You're gonna make it happen. You're gonna put some money into your bank account. I hope you understand me. So that's why I do not sell. I will not sell this market. I have to wait for the market to break this counter trend line. And if the market break this counter trend line, it's give me confidence that the market is no longer bullish. But for me to confirm more is no longer bullish is I will look out this movement. When this movement go, it did not retrace, the body did not come back and tested it. So maybe this one may be a test of this breakout. So if the market come back and retest it, it might respect it and continue pushing all the way to the upside. But for me to buy, I have to wait for the market to break the counter trend line and then break the minor level, because we are anytime we come here we reject, anytime we come we reject, anytime we come we reject. So we have to break it again. Once we break it, this is our major level. This is where we can get confidence and confirmation that are we buying or selling. So for us to sell this market, we have to break this and this. Once we break this counter trend line, we break this major level, and then we also break the fake out. So once we break all this, we can sell. We can sell this market. It's time for us to sell. I have so much confidence for me to sell this market. You understand? Once I break the fake out, I will set myself and I will take my profit all the way to here. I don't mind with all this movement. If I do not get what I'm using, the technical tools I'm using for me to enter any single trade, I will not rush into this trade. You understand? I have to get all the tools, all the technical tools I'm using before I enter any trade. You understand? So, and then I will advise you for you to be doing this, because this is what really helped me and make me profitable in this market. Yeah. So, I hope you guys understand. If we can sell this market, we have to wait for the breakout of the counter trend line and the breakout of the major level, and then breakout of this fake out. You understand? So for now, let's scale down and see what's going on the H4. You know, when you look for this, you have to look for this too, right? So this is our H4. What's going on H4? We can see right now. We can see what's going on H4. On H4, you can see this fake out is even kind of far. Wow, this thing is not easy. Oh my god, my hand. Okay, so as you can see on H4, this market come all the way from upside, tested this minor level, break lower, retest it again, break. Okay, when the market retest it, it break lower. So imagine you sell, then the market did not go down, it start to go up. But we said anytime you sell or buy, you have to put your stop loss outside of the major level if it's sell, and if it's buy, it will be outside below. You understand? Sell outside above, buy outside below your major or minor level. I hope you guys are getting this. So you sell around here, then the market go up, but it did not hit your stop loss because your stop loss is outside the minor level. Then start to come all the way to the downside, and then as you can see around here, you will have take your profit. It will be the profit. This place may be your take profit, okay, to the downside. And then as you can see, you take the profit, you respected it, break above, come back below, test it, then start going all the way to the upside. So maybe we already know from the monthly, the market shows that is currently in monthly in uptrend, because the last month is uptrend, and then the second month also, which is this month, is in uptrend. And as you can see on H4, this market come back and tested this level and then break above it, then to retest it, then break above, which is confirmation of buy. And as you can see, the market start to go up. Maybe this might be a Fibonacci retracement. This will be, you can continue going all the way to the upside. So maybe we can go for long again, but we are not sure, right? We cannot do something. We are not rushing. We have to wait for the market. Once we come back and see where the market is going next, what's the reaction, You understand? You have to wait for all this. So once we confirm the breakout of this, then maybe we are no longer bullish because we break the counter trend. We are no longer bullish. We can continue going down. And if we can continue going down, we can get our signal in this major level. Maybe if we break it and break the fake out, or maybe if we break below it and retest and break it, maybe we can sell and take our profit around the fake out because we can see there is a fake out. So we may expect the market to continue pushing up if it did not break the fake out. So maybe we can move our stop loss into the break even before the market come back, hit our stop loss, zero risks, then we can see whatever the market will do. We are ready for it. But we know that we are following our rules and we are very, very safe. We can secure our capital. We cannot keep employing money anyhow. I hope you guys understand this class. And then me, I'm going to leave you guys here. Thank you. See you in the next class.